Okay, one more time. Nice smile. Alright, confident.
I enjoy math and English. The teachers always give us fun math and English games.
There are many things that I enjoy about school, and having friends is one of them.
I get an opportunity to learn new things, talk and have fun with my friends. I like all my teachers because they are very kind. My form teachers because they teach very good lessons and they give you gifts if you behave. My sister because she tells us funny jokes.
The teachers are very approachable and kind whenever we have problems, and they will always provide us good advice based on their experience.
My favorite food from the school canteen is seaweed noodles because it's very yummy. Chicken rice and fish ball soup. Sometimes I buy fruits and collect cards to exchange for a prize. My favorite part of the day is recess. When my teacher praises me for doing something correct, I feel happy and good because I get to go there and eat my seaweed noodles, which is really yummy. My most memorable moment is the Chinese New Year celebrations, the dance, the snacks. It's very fun. It's when I first saw the Eco Garden. My first day of school. There were lots of fish and some tadpoles and one frog. When I first came in class, everyone was looking at me and I felt very shy.
My most memorable experience in Newtown Primary was my Primary 5 camp.
The Shanghai and Hangzhou 2019 immersion trip.
Bonding between the teachers and the students were very special to me because we did many interesting activities like cooking and campfire.
At the trip, we interacted with the students from Shanghai. They were very welcoming and we were very touched by them.
I am proud to be a Newtown Primary student because my friends are always there to make me feel happy and put me in a good mood whenever I am feeling down.
I would describe Newtown with the word cozy. Newtown students are warm, cheerful and welcoming.
Begin with the end in mind is the most important to me because I believe that if you plan before doing anything, it will turn out to be successful.
Think win-win. It is because it's important to have good relationships with your peers and teachers so that everyone will be happy in our school.
Put first things first, as we are able to set our priorities right and work towards our goal, then we could celebrate it by having fun.
I am a leader because I'm smart and kind. I take the initiative to help my friends. I am proactive and put first things first.
As the leader of the next generation, I would like to tell future Newtown students to work hard and look far.
Continue to be respectful and persevere as one of our values is resilience.
I'm Shu Fong. I have two children. My elder one has graduated from Newtown Primary School last year and my younger one is still in Newtown. I first heard about Newtown Primary School from my friend. She has two children here and she gave very good feedback about the school. When we came to have a look, the conduciveness of the schools attracted us and eventually we enrolled our both children here. We're really glad that we put the children in Newtown Primary. The school has very caring teachers and also school personnel. The other thing that I particularly like about Newtown is the diversity of the children. Children come from different backgrounds and therefore my children learn how to get along with people from different culture and they're exposed to different people in their primary school years.
Hi, I'm Henny. I have two children. One has graduated last year and currently is in SOTA. Another one is in P4 in Newtown Primary School. We are quite familiar with the school and the school looks nice, clean and conducive for learning. And when we actually come in for open house, the staff were very friendly and they encourage the kids to speak up whenever they're having the class activity, and the facilities are also good. For my first girl, the first time when she came in, she was socially awkward, and to see her now, it will not be possible if the teachers here didn't let her make a mistake and let her learn and to grow into who she is now. The other thing is the teacher is willing to do more and beyond. The school doesn't only cultivate academic excellence, they cultivate leaders and holistically develop children.
Teaching is not about filling the pot, but lighting the fire.
In Newtown Primary, we want to make a difference in your lives, and we know that you will blossom in your time.
Every student is a dreamer today and an achiever tomorrow.
Every child is special. Come learn with us and have fun.
Are you ready to grow and learn in Newtown Primary?